Beautiful sun setting along the lakeshore. This is our Snug Harbor Tower cam, and on the opposite horizon we've got the full moon rising. That's what happens right around the full moon. The sun setting at the same time, the moon coming up. Let's take a look ahead at your weekend. 13 weather ball is red, milder weather ahead, and for tonight it's blinking bright because we have some rain and snow in sight. In this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Got up into the low 40s today. Our average high is 37, and we were 10 degrees warmer than last year, and that 41 came within 2 degrees of our forecast high of 43. We've done that 3 days in a row, and we've done, I think, 4 days in a row where it's been warmer than average, and I think we only have 1 day out of the next 10 where we will be cooler than average. Snowfall, we've made up a lot of ground this February, 29.6 inches. That's almost 16 inches above average after a very slow start. We have almost 45 inches for the season, but that's still about 19 inches below average. We may get a little bit here late tonight and early tomorrow morning. Clouds are coming on in, though, with the next weather system. Let's put that into motion. We get just clouds coming up from the south, but after about 9 o'clock, we're going to start to see some light rain move across the Michigan-Indiana border. By 11 o'clock, encroaching on Kent County, and then just about everywhere by 2 o'clock, there's going to be some light precipitation. Mix of rain and mostly snow to the north, light rain to the south, and then by 7 a.m. it's all to the east around Battle Creek east of Ionia, and skies will actually clear very quickly tomorrow. Lots of sunshine until late in the day when some high clouds come on in. There might be a couple of sprinkles out of those high clouds, but for the most part, I think we are going to see limited sunshine on Sunday because the dew points are coming up and the melting snow is just going to create a lot of moisture in the air. So we'll have mostly cloudy skies, I think, during the day on Sunday, but it'll be mild. Look at the snow. This is what's going to be falling and melting, maybe a ½ inch up around Fremont, Big Rapids, and Mount Pleasant overnight. And most of it will be in the form of some light rain starting right around 9 to 11 o'clock. And by the time it's done here tomorrow morning, we could see about ¼ inch or less worth of rain. Temperature-wise, up into the mid-40s here in Grand Rapids tomorrow. Warm to the south and east on Sunday, 50 plus. We may get 40s, upper 40s here, and then much cooler for Monday, but that will be the only day next week where it'll be cooler than average. On Fridays, we get the week 3 and 4 outlook. Much of the country, high probability, will be warmer than average for that 2-week period. That looks like spring is going to have sprung, and a little higher chance that we'll see more precipitation, probably in the form of some rain if it's going to be warm. Tomorrow we're going to become sunny with highs in the low and maybe even mid-40s around Muskegon and Holland. Up north, you'll become sunny as well. Mid-40s here, nice light southwest wind, and from Grand Rapids southward we'll see highs in the mid-40s, including 45 here in Grand Rapids. 13 on your side forecast. After a very cool day on Monday, a lot of wind out of the northwest. Will bounce back into the mid and even upper 40s all the way through next weekend with limited, if any, chances for rain or snow.